Here we have a 2017 BMW 420d XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the blue metallic exterior paintwork, LED daytime running headlights, we have the gloss black front grills, and there's a look at the front end. This vehicle does have the full M performance kit, including the front splitter. Round to the passenger side you find the side skirts along the bottom. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae, and we do also have the colour-coded rear spoiler. We have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside, and we do also have the rear diffuser with a twin pipe exhaust. Now if we take a look inside of the boot, so just opening it up like so, you'll find we have a decent amount of space. It goes quite far back. We also have a handle just underneath here so we can pull it back closed. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, taking a look inside of the back first, you find we have the two seats back here, fixed ISO points and the foldable armrest in the centre. We've got the full black leather interior with the blue stitching. Both the front seats are heated, and there's a look at them. Premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights, automatic wipers. We have the multifunctional steering wheel. If we just take a seat inside, then you'll find the paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel, speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side. Put a foot on the brake and press the start button just down there, then the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find it will be free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We do also have the main screen in the centre. Now if any of the screens are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We have the shortcuts down here, so click onto the media, then you'll find we have the radio stations appear just there. We also have the other options with the Bluetooth audio, auxiliary, USB and much more. We also have the Bluetooth phone connectivity. We have the different drive modes, so with the Eco Pro drive mode we have Comfort, Sport and also Sport Plus with the sport displays as well, which is a really cool feature to have. Further down you find the heated seat buttons, the ice-cold air conditioning with the dual zone climate control, all working as they should do, as you can see. We've got the automatic gearbox, put the car into reverse, you find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen, put it back into park just like so. We have the parking sensors button, the drive mode buttons just there, cup holders inside of there, and we also have a manual handbrake. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive on this BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport. Now the purpose of this video is to show you that this car drives exactly how you would expect it to. You can see that I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel. We're not veering off to the left or veering off to the right. We're staying pretty true to the road. Throughout this video test drive, you'll be able to hear that we are free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now as I accelerate down the road, the transition between each gear is pretty seamless. We've got the multifunctional steering wheel with the cruise control and paddle shift on the left hand side, and we've also got the volume button with the paddle shift on the right hand side. So if you want to drive this car manually, you can use the paddle shifts to go up and down the gears. We've also got the sat nav in the center just there, and you will have seen the other functions on the website. We've also got the dual climate control with the ice cold air conditioning. We've also got the heated rear window with the heated seats, which are perfect for those cold, chilly mornings. We've got the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. It goes from Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. We've also got the all black leather seats with the blue stitching. These are very comfortable with a nice lumbar support. You'd probably get 2, 3 or even maybe 400 miles out of these, and you'd still get out feeling pretty fresh. Now I'm just going to take a right hand turn into the industrial estate where I'll perform an emergency stop. So as I take the right turn, I'll perform it in 3, 2 and 1. Into reverse, and you'll be able to see the sensors come up on screen. Back into drive with no problems. If you've got any unanswered queries or questions, then do not hesitate to contact the sales team here at RS Car Sales, where we will be happy to help. But that's all from me today, folks. Cheers.